Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are working with Eva Wigs to give you guys a quick review of their custom made units. So inside the box is going to be the wig that you custom order. They also give you like a really cool shower comb for detangling, and they give you a wig cap and some bobby pins. I probably won't be using the wig cap or the bobby pins. Also, they give you a user manual, which I thought was really funny because it's like, if you don't know how to use a wig, sis, maybe wigs aren't for you. I guess they teach you how to, I didn't even look at it, but maybe they teach you how to put it on. The wig is packaged in plastic. It does have a shaper inside of it, and it does have a wig net on it to keep the curls intact. It comes with 3 combs, a ton of lace. It's lace on the back, and of course lace all around the frontal part. And I did realize right now that the it's kind of like a full lace wig. So I'm going to use my Sally Hansen airbrush legs, and I'm just going to go ahead and color the entire inside of the cap. This takes literally like 2 minutes, and it's why I love this stuff. This one can will last you about maybe 10-11 wigs. So I just step back a little bit and spray it, and then I go ahead and clean off any of the excess that I got on the hair. And while that dries, I'm just going to prep my hair for the wig. So I placed my cap on. I don't gel my hair down or anything because, one, I need to get a haircut, but I didn't want to do too much to have to put this wig on. I did purchase this really cool wig band, and I recommend this thing, you guys. When I tell y'all that this little no slip wig band thing is the GOAT. I was actually really excited because I thought it looked really cute. And then I realized how embarrassing I am. So we're not going to dab again because I'm not 12. Now I'm just going to take some of my bronzer. This is a bronzer I keep especially for my wigs, and I'm going to set the rest of the wig cap where the lace part is. And then we're just going to apply the wig. This was super easy. I didn't really have to tighten the straps. I didn't use any of the combs. The wig fits so snugly on my head. Again, it's a custom made wig, so you're going to put all your dimensions and stuff and your cap size and everything in when you order it, and it's just perfectly made to fit your head. I have no complaints. This wig was straight up and down out the box, ready to wear. And also they had these cool tabs on the side that just made for an even snugger fit. With this wig being on top of the band, the wig was going absolutely nowhere. I was so surprised. I had not used the combs. I had not even like glued down the front or anything. That band and then the fit of this wig, I could probably did backflips, you guys. It was so snug on my head. It went nowhere. So as you can see, the hair is pre-plucked. It does come pre-plucked, which is cool. So you don't really have to do a super ton of work. The hell am I talking about? You don't have to do a lot of work to this hair. But once I cut off the lace, I realized that the hairline was a little bit more dense than I'm starting to like my hairline, so we did doctor it up a bit. I'm just going to cut off the lace, not too close to the edge, but as close as I can get without cutting off the grooves and things like that. And then I'm going in with my Ghost Bond glue and just going ahead and tacking down the front of the wig. Now I put my glue a little bit farther up on my head because, one, I don't like it on my hair, and 2, my hairline is really far back and I have a 6 head, so my head's like perfect for frontals. I have a lot of forehead to work with, and I like my wigs a little bit farther up on my forehead because my original hairline is really weird. So I'm just gonna go in and kind of take out a little bit more hair in the front. I'm starting to like my hairlines a little bit more natural, so I'm just going to pluck out the more denser parts that I see. And you might see a little bit of extra glue. That's fine. I wait for that to dry and then I peel that off. So it looks bad right now, but that's just because of course my makeup and my glue is kind of mixing together and I didn't really wait for it to dry like I should have, but it's okay because we fixed that in the end anyway. Moving on, we're going to work on our baby hair. As you see, I plucked the hairline as natural as I could, and then I kind of thinned out the hairs in the front that I left, and I'm just going to swoop them back with my Mary's edge control like I always do. This is my go-to edge control. I like it because it holds my edges all day on my wigs, but it's not hard. Like, it doesn't harden up like the Got to Be Glued does. So I highly recommend using this edge control. It's way better than the Hicks, hands down. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my little swoops like I like them. And of course, because I was plucking hair and messing with it and combing it and stuff like that, it is now a little bit frizzy. So I'm going to also show you guys how I define the curls on this wig so I can go back to how it was, because the curls were absolutely beautiful. So I'm just using my spray bottle, and this spray bottle was originally a reptile spray bottle. If you guys didn't know, I did own a snake. Her name was Akasha. We no longer have her. I love her so much, but we had to get rid of her for personal reasons. Anyway, this is her water bottle. I used to mist her with this, and it's perfect for misting my hair because you pump it and then it keeps a continuous mist. So I do recommend this. You can get that at PetSmart, and I'll also link that below with all of the other materials I used. I'm also using my Miss Jessie's curly custard. I will link that below as well, and I'm just putting that all throughout my hair. And so the combination of the water and the Miss Jessie's kind of really makes your curls pop. But I'm also going to go in with my Eco Styler with the black castor oil and flaxseed, because I feel like this seals the curls all day without making them super crunchy. So your hair isn't going to be hard, but it is going to be really defined. And what you want to make sure you do is that you're finger detangling it, but you're also making sure you get the ends. It is really important that you get the ends because those will frizz up first. So I'm just gonna re-wet the ends, make sure they are super damp, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit more gel and just really seal those. And as you can see, these curls are popping, shorty. Like, they are shapopping. I don't even know what to say about this hair except that it is gorgeous. Look at the difference. Look at the defined side and look at the more like frizzy, curly, bushy side. I actually like it frizzy and curly, but the defined side just looks so good. Tell me this, I didn't think it looked hard. Tell me this wig doesn't look super natural. Tell me it